sonic screwdriver tutorial. Hi guys, I'm going to do a tutorial on a sonic screwdriver. So if you have one, you may be wondering how exactly do I use my sonic screwdriver, and this is how. First, sorry, wrong angle. First, you need to get your object you are scanning or human. Come here. This is our object, and so we turn them around, facing toward us, and you scan his eyeball, and okay. Now, to read the things inside, you must, to get the data out of it into your brain, you must put it close to your eyes, look into the center, out. And this makes it so you explode. And here's the button that makes you explode. Let's try it out. And this is how you resurrect yourself. Where's the camera gone? Oh, hi. So next, you, of course, go like this, look into it, and you may feel a shock into your eyeball, go into your brain, and then, after that's done, you close it, and then, that's all you do. It's simple and awesome.